Welcome back to Thriving in Balance, and thanks for joining me. This week I'm going to talk about some of my favorite things, my capsule wardrobe, decor, cooking, and how I thrive every day balancing my work and life. I must have creative outlets, walking time, and serious focus time for work, all of which create my healthy balance. Let's dive in. I have a capsule wardrobe which took me about a year to curate. I can mix and match almost everything. Even wearing almost exclusively black, my outfits need to be created, business casual, or comfy. Everything I wear has an edge. I was in the punk goth scene in the late 70s, early 80s, and that aesthetic stuck. Two of my favorite style creators are Karen Blanchard and Emily Wheatley. They share some of my same style influences. A favorite style of mine is black slacks or jeans, a blazer or a tailored jacket or coat, a crisp t-shirt, no dingy or raggy ones, docks or loafers, and a black bag. You can't go wrong. Intentional accessories are a must, and a good vegan crossbody or satchel is a necessity. All of my clothing can be layered for different moods and effects. Dark Acidimia is an internet aesthetic and subculture concerned with higher education, the arts, literature, or an idealized version. That's Wikipedia's definition. I find the definition interesting, seeing that I have decorated this way long before it became popular. I'm not an interior designer, but I know what moves me. I surround myself with that depth and moodiness. And yes, these are images from my home. Eating clean is really hard when you live in Southern California. The Mexican food is the best. So home cooking is the next best option to stay healthy and on point. Fresh organic vegetables, grilled top sirloin. The recipe is in the description. I love what I do, however, it can be stressful and very fast-paced. It is really important that I get up hourly and walk around. I also try to get at least 5,000 steps or more a day. My favorite time is dusk, and yes, that is a real photograph from my neighborhood. I have a background in graphic design, so naturally creating graphics are right up my alley. I block out time weekly to generate social posts. Let me know if this is something that you'd like some help with. Thank you for visiting, and be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time.